Okay, and this tutorial is for the eye contact. This one is the app that we use to save the contacts book. We use this app to save their contacts book, and this bottom is the one that we'll be using. Although this all these ones has their use, but for the purpose of the training, we'll be using only this one. Only this one. Yes. So let's click on that and continue. You choose import phone numbers as you see. If you want to also import email, no problem, you can also use that. Then you select the contacts file. That one I'll be teaching you how to extract the contacts very soon. So this place is for you to write a single name for all the group members. So I will just say 5k viewers, 5k views. Hey, I mistakenly pressed back. 5k views. You can see that you can see that the default name here is my contacts, and it has numbered them my contact 1, my contact 2. That is how the app works. So you just need to input a default name here for all the contacts. Like I said, 5k. If I say 5k, you see that the 5k is here. The 5k is here, but the app has numbered them 5k1, 5k2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in that order. That is how it will number them to make you differentiate them. After that, you click on the next button here, and then you continue. You choose save, and then you go back. I have saved them already. I wouldn't save them. After save, click on the save one. When it is saving them one by one, you just go and leave this one to be done at the background. Thank you for watching. Thank you. I'll be showing you how to import the contacts. I already have a video in my channel. Scroll down and look for that one, but that one is for those who will be using a laptop. I'll be showing you how to also use your smartphone to extract the contacts. Thank you.